Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and I post new videos every Monday. Today I have a special video for you. This time I will review these magnetic lashes from the company Jimire Beauty. They sent me these lashes for me to try them on, and if you're interested to know my experience with these lashes and my review, keep watching. So this is the first time that I try this type of style. They were very kind to send these ones to me to try them on, and I decided to make a video for you to see how they work and perform. So this is the box. It comes in a really pretty box. You have a nice logo. Here you have the steps how to use the lashes, and on the inside you have 3 sets of lashes, the eyeliner glue, and the applicator, which is amazing. If you see them closely, they are wispy. Let's see how they look. So the instructions: first, shake the applicator, apply the magnetic eyeliner, apply the magnetic eyelashes on top. Please refer to instructions for more details. So pretty much very straightforward. And let's see. So here you have them. Let's use the applicator. This is the applicator. See? And this is the eyeliner glue. So the idea is you have to shake it well and apply it. It looks like a regular liquid eyeliner. And let's see the lashes. I'm curious. Okay. These are the lashes. Let's see if we can let's try these babies. So I'm just going to use it as a regular eyeliner, very close to my lash line. It feels very soft and liquid, like a regular eyeliner. Okay, the good thing about this is you are already creating your eyeliner and you don't have to do it again. But the color looks pretty nice, very black. Looks, oh, that was easy. Just oh, I'm very surprised. That was actually pretty easy. Just this top, it feels a little bit loose. Now it feels better. Okay. Yeah, looks nice. I like the style. It's very pretty. Honestly, it doesn't feel any different like from a regular eyeliner. Very much the same. Let me just show you. I don't know if you are able to see, but they have 2 magnets in the outer corner, inner corner, and 1 in the center, which usually with regular false lashes you add extra glue here. So they already added that extra magnets just to secure them and keep them longer. Let's put these ones on. I'm having a little bit of difficulty with the inner corner, just doesn't stay. Okay, apparently you can just remove them, glue them, and glue them again. So let's do that. Let's just add a little bit more in the inner corner. And let's see if it works after removing them and putting them back. Okay, that's much better. So you can see, looks very pretty. Very pretty. And you don't feel the magnets. It's not, doesn't bother you. It feels like regular false lashes. So let's remove them. I removed some of the eyeliner. So let's see if they can come back again. Yeah. It is a little bit loose. So I think that you might need to add more eyeliner if you are planning to wear them again. Like, let's say you take them off, fix it, put it back on, you need to add more glue. But overall, I'm very impressed. And the lashes itself, the quality is pretty good. They're very soft, wispy, and the eyeliner, I really like how black it is. Very easy and liquid. They feel very comfortable. So overall, so far, so good. Here you have the lashes. Let me get a little bit closer so you can take a look. They feel very comfortable. They were easy to apply. My only advice is to make sure that you add a good amount of eyeliner. If you make the eyeliner too thin, you will have difficulty put them on. But if the eyeliner is thick enough, they will stay. So I put them, remove them, try to put them again, but the second time it doesn't work that well. You need to apply a little bit more on top, so you will ensure that they stay all day long. I hope you like this video, and I hope that you can check this brand out. You can find their lashes on Amazon or visit their Instagram account, Jimire Beauty. And thank you once again for watching this tutorial and this review. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto. See you next week. Bye. So it's been 4 hours since I applied these full lashes, and so far they are, the right side feels very secure. Just the left side is a little bit loose in the inner corner, but overall they feel very well. I try to put it together, but it comes out just this part, but everything else feels very secure. I just removed this eye very easily. I'm using this micellar water from Garnier. It removes waterproof makeup and is for normal and sensitive skin. So I'm just gonna show you how I remove them. They come out easily. You don't feel any pulling sensation compared to the regular false lashes that sometimes they can pull your skin. always leave a few seconds the product so it will help you remove it faster. You can see pretty much it's gone. Yeah, the eyeliner is gone. Easy, very easy. Make sure is you're using a product that is meant to remove waterproof makeup. These ones, they have some oil on it, so it helps break down the makeup. So excellent product if you want to try, give it a try. And as you can see, all the eyeliner is removed very easily.